So you want to shop small businesses right now, but you don't know where to start. Today I am breaking you down some of my favorite home decor purchases from small businesses.
It's so beautiful in real life. I think it's like a little sad pair. I don't know, but I all of a sudden love it and want to take care of it. Hi guys, my name is Becky from TheSorryGirls. That would be helpful to know. Hi guys, my name is Becky from TheSorryGirls, and today I'm going to be shopping your small businesses. So we've seen lots of different people do videos like this, Sierra Schulte being one of our favorite, but we thought we'd give it a little bit of a design twist here on our channel. So for this first episode, instead of just giving you a list of some of my favorite small business home decor pieces, because let's be honest, that would be a very lengthy list, I thought I would get your help to craft this video. I'm watching Disney Channel. You're watching TheSorryGirls. Can I make a rose? No, I can't. Okay, so over on our Instagram, I asked you guys to submit some of your favorite home decor trends that you have been seeing and loving at the moment, but maybe didn't know where to get them, especially from a small business. And I took your suggestions and put on my small business sleuthing glasses and got to pairing up your decor requests with some amazing small businesses. And before we get started, I did want to let you know that I did purchase all of these items with my own money, so you will be getting my honest reviews. But I also did reach out to the shops to let them know I was planning this video and filming it and to see if I could get any more insight and answers on their shops and products. So I do have a bunch of answers from the shops for you today. So speaking of small businesses, I am very happy to let you know that today's sponsor is Skillshare. Skillshare is a really cool online learning community that has thousands of inspiring classes for creators. Whether you're looking to enhance a skill that you might already have, or you're looking to learn something completely new, Skillshare has a class for you. Okay, let's get started with these small businesses, but we will chat a little bit more about Skillshare later. Okay, so our first trend up is bamboo and rattan planters, pots, baskets. Anything made of natural materials is super trendy right now. Urban Outfitters has sold a bunch of baskets that look like this. But today I want to introduce you to the shop called Viridi. It is run by Katrina. So Viridi means green in Latin, and her shop focuses on sustainable decor for plant lovers. Katrina offers curated collections of vintage decor and spun bamboo and rattan planters for your home. So Katrina started Viridi in the summer of 2020 out of a love for houseplants. She couldn't find any really cute planters and pots that she really loved, so she just started her own business. So the Viridi team is a party of one, but her mom Cheryl helps on the side with shipping and deliveries, which I just think is so cute. Okay, so I have this big box here. So the one product I did order was the Samaya pot, but I do think that she threw in a couple extra goodies for me and the team as well, which is so sweet. So this is the Samaya pot. I think it is absolutely beautiful and so cute. It reminds me of a rainbow. I love it so much. And then she also sent over two other goodies. This pot, which has a cane weaving on the inside, and then this little hanging pot, which would be so cute for an air plant or like a trailing plant or something. These are definitely going to have to go in the office to be styled. All of the Viridi rattan planters are hand woven. Since they're handmade, the artisans Viridi works with in Vietnam were able to work from home the past year. Rattan grows similar to vines, which means the artisans are allowed to take the materials they need without cutting down entire forests, and be assured that they will grow back quickly. You can find Katrina and all of her products on her website, which will of course be linked below. Alright, next up we have statement wall hooks. Anything that doubles as art is a big favorite of mine, so I love that this is trending at the moment. Specifically, we are taking a look at the CB2 wooden wall hooks here. Now, I was able to find an amazing alternative for this, and it comes from the shop called Wills & Pryor. Wills & Pryor's is a shop owned by partners Sarah Smith and David Gilhooly. Wills & Pryor's is a home decorating and lifestyle shop located in downtown Stratford, Ontario. Wills & Pryor's opened their brick and mortar store almost 4 years ago, and their online shop followed after. 2 years after meeting together in Toronto, David and Sarah took a trip to Europe and were super inspired by all of the little boutique shops in France and Italy and Holland, which of course then inspired them to come home and start their own shop. The Wills & Pryor team is now made of 6 people who all share a combined love of all things home, and these are the same 6 people that ship and pack every single one of your online orders. Now, while I loved everything on their shop and I was tempted to buy all of it, there's one thing in particular that I was excited to share with you guys, and that is their hand-turned walnut wall hooks. All of their wall hooks are handmade with natural walnut, and the cool thing is they're actually made right in the same town as the shop. They come in a couple different sizes. I have a large, medium, and a small here, and they are all absolutely so beautiful. You can really tell when something is handmade, and I very much appreciate that. So I'm actually going to be passing these on to Allie, who's going to style these in her home. The walnut hooks were one of the very first items designed for the Wills & Pryor store when it opened. They are one of the longest running items that they carry, and they are a fan favorite. One of my favorite parts about getting to do videos like these is getting to learn how all of these small businesses got started and how they grew their companies. I know for me as a small business owner, it can be pretty hard sometimes. From accounting to marketing to even just making that first step, that's why I am a really big fan of Skillshare. There's classes on businesses, graphic design, marketing, photography, basically anything that you might need to get your small business going. I really like the class Discovering Success, 7 Exercises to Uncover Your Purpose, Passion, and Path by Emma Gannon because it has 4 exercises that you can follow along with Emma using printable worksheets. As a very much hands-on learner here, I really like the idea of getting to do something interactive along with the class as I am learning. They actually have a brand new feature where you can join live Skillshare classes where you can connect with teachers and work along fellow creatives in real time. Skillshare is specifically made for learning, meaning that there are no ads and they're always adding new premium classes, which means that you can stay focused and create amazing new things. And best of all, it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. The first 1,000 of our subscribers to click the link in the description will get a free trial of a premium membership so you can explore your creativity. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, next up is one that I am so excited to open. This one comes from the trend of the mushroom lamp. Obviously, these are retro styles that come back from like the 70s and earlier, but there are still some people that are making new ones today, specifically the Urban Outfitters Ansel lamp. I got so many of you guys sending me that saying, where can I find this from someone who hand makes them? I need to know more. And I found somebody, and I am so excited to open this and share this with you guys today. So this small business is an Etsy shop by the name of Collective Light. It is run by Yusuf out of Hamburg, Germany. So his Etsy shop features a mix of curated vintage lights as well as some brand new hand-blown mushroom glass lamps. So that's what we're gonna unbox today. So let's open it. Oh, it's so cute. It's so precious. I'm so nervous to hold this because I'm afraid I'm gonna break it and drop it, but it is absolutely beautiful and stunning, which I knew it would be already. So this lamp came with a European plug, so I'm gonna have to get a converter for that, but it should be no problem. And it has his little shop name on the plug, which I think is so, so precious. Each small mushroom lamp is handmade from mouth-blown glass. Each lamp is slightly different and can slightly vary in size and color due to it being a totally handmade item. Yusuf offers the lamps in white glass along with some other fun multicolor options. Of course, the link to his Etsy shop and his Instagram page where you can see all of the really fun other colored lamps he's made in the past will of course be linked below. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, next up we have a relatively new trend. I learned about this one from you guys, and that was this trend of having really cute decorative containers for your fridge. Our fridges are getting a glow up. If you weren't aware, this is the year of the fridge. So I have been seeing these things everywhere that are like ceramic versions of traditional items we might get at a local market. For example, the little baskets that raspberries come in. I'm seeing ceramic versions of that everywhere, and as well as little ceramic holders for our eggs. Egg cartons are out, ceramic egg holders are in. Anthropologie even sells one that looks like this. So of course, the glasses had to come back on, and I had to find a small business that was selling these because all of a sudden, I needed these fridge decor pieces in my life. So that brings us to Fine Little Day. So Fine Little Day is a Scandinavian sustainable home decor and design shop located just outside of Gothenburg, Sweden. They have an online shop as well as a physical store if you happen to find yourself in Sweden. So Fine Little Day was founded in 2007 by designer and photographer Elizabeth Dunker, who is the company's leading designer. Fine Little Day stands for environmentally friendly products with high artistic quality. Their range includes everything from bed linen to kitchen and interior fabrics, posters, and fashion. All of their cotton products are certified organic, and they use responsibly harvested paper in all of their production in an effort to strive for production quality that is fair to the people and the environment, which we love here at Team TSG. Big fans. All right, we've got our Fine Little Day package here. And can I just say, just first of all, how really cute their tape is. I think it's little birds. I love it. It's just so precious. I can't even open this tissue paper because it's so pretty. I don't want to rip it. It came with this little print, which I think it's like a little sad pear. I don't know, but I all of a sudden love it and want to take care of it. Wow. This is beautiful. This is even nicer than it looks on the website, and it looks really good on the website. So this is the ceramic egg platters, and this is just gonna look so absolutely beautiful in my fridge, on my counter. I love it. So these ceramic egg platters are handmade by Swedish ceramist Emily Hallberg and are made to hold up to 6 or 12 eggs. There were so many other amazing handmade Scandinavian designs on their website as well, so I will definitely be returning to take a look at more of their items, and I encourage you guys to as well. I'm of course going to put their website in the description below. So next up we have the category which is all things the female form. Beautiful, beautiful female form. I'm loving that this is becoming an art style that's manifesting itself in so many different mediums and styles, especially when it gets to show so many different body types. I am 100% here for it. We are seeing this in vases, in mugs, but a shop I want to tell you about today is doing it in the form of candles. Emone Candles is a company started by Mal and Santi. The company was inspired by their love of people and nature and their time spent between London and Mexico City. They're both now living and working in London. Their shop features a wide variety of handmade candles in a ton of different shapes, ranging from mushrooms to clouds to koi fish to lovely feminine bodies. Emone started 1 year ago with the first idea for a candle coming in the shape of a torso. It was actually made with no intention to sell, but after Mal posted it to her Instagram, all of her friends wanted to buy more. Shortly after that, they started their Etsy account, and within their first month, they had sold over 500 candles. So from there, they set up their website and a studio, and now they're actually on to their 3rd studio, so congratulations guys, sounds like a lot has happened in a year. So the candle I ordered is the Isla candle. Let's open this one together. So this is her. She's absolutely stunning. I got it in the pink color, but they also have this in a wide variety of more like skin-like tones, but they have some fun colors as well. Now I did ask because I was curious. Most people that buy these do not burn them, which I get. They're meant to be sculptural works of art. I probably won't either just because she is so beautiful, but of course you definitely could if you wanted to because it is a real candle. So this candle, the Isla, is the 2nd candle that they launched, but the first one that was exclusive to their design, so of course it holds a special place in their heart. It is also now their most popular selling candle. They use natural wax blends and eco-friendly wicks. I would definitely encourage you guys to go check out the rest of Shop Emone. If this one isn't exactly your style, they have so many other really fun and beautiful candles that you can check out as well. Alright, next up we have a trend that is definitely going to feel a little familiar to a lot of you, and that is the circle donut hole vase. We're seeing this everywhere, I think H&M being one of the more popular retailers that sell things like this, but there are a lot of different versions of this style out there. And for the longest time I was getting so many requests from you guys of where you can find similar styles to that, and I didn't know what to recommend, which is why I was so excited to find this artist. This is Kiki from Kiki Camerata Art. She has a shop on Etsy, but you can also find her work through her Instagram page as well. Kiki lives just outside of Boston, Massachusetts, and is a full-time art educator. She describes her work as slow art and small batch, but that is definitely what makes all of her pieces so unique. Now because all of her pieces are handmade, they are definitely very one of one, so I purchased one off her Etsy shop, and I don't think you'll be able to buy this exact one, but there are many similar styles on her shop that you should definitely check out. So this is the handmade donut vase, and I got it in like a blue-gray color. Wow. Oh my god, you guys. This, I mean, it's so beautiful in real life. All of the pieces have been even more gorgeous to see in real life, but I mean, this one especially, it's just like when you get to see all of the speckle design in real life, that's when it truly shines, and you can really tell that this is a handmade work of art. I am definitely gonna need to go find a very special piece of floral to style in this for you guys, but please do go check out her Etsy page or go follow her on Instagram to check out the rest of her art. She has many more amazing different colors and finishes, and I think that you guys will love and appreciate all of them. Kiki loves clean lines, geometric shapes, and playing with positive and negative space, and exploring color through underglazes. She aims to create functional pieces that are playful and unique. All of her wares are hand-thrown and hand-glazed from durable porcelain and stoneware clays. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, and shipped carefully using recycled materials. Alright, so last up we have the trend of ornamental and beautiful and ornate and unique, more descriptive words for beautiful knobs and hardware and handles. For the longest time, I have to be honest, Anthropologie has been my go-to for really interesting hardware just because I did not know where else to go. But when I found this shop, I was honestly so excited and I could not wait to share it with you. So Pretty Grit is a home and gift shop run in downtown Hamilton, Ontario by Amanda. She curates a wide range of products from cushions to candles to barware to bath and body and even gifts for baby. They have a brick and mortar shop which you can go check out if you are in Hamilton, as well as an amazing online shop. So as you can tell, they sell a wide variety of items on their shop, but they did also have a really decent selection of beautiful, beautiful knobs and hardware. So that's what I ordered. So these are the Ainsley knobs. They are handmade ceramic knobs, and these are just the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. And I think they would be that perfect item to add to an upcycling project that you may be working on. So Pretty Grit sources the Ainsley knobs from Indaba, which is a Canadian wholesale company that works with artisans in India to hand make unique pieces that utilize artisanal traditions. So if you guys are on the hunt for really unique hardware options, I would super encourage you to check out their website. They have a ton of different options, not just this style, but a wide variety and range of really unique pieces as well. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I was able to introduce you to a whole bunch of really cool small businesses. I will for sure be linking all of these products below if you're interested in any of them, and if for whatever reason you can't support monetarily, just a like or a follow on any of the business's social media pages honestly does do a ton. If you guys like this style of video and want to see me do it again, definitely let me know below. I would more than love to, because this was so much fun and it was really cool being introduced to all these really amazing creators. Make sure you're following our Instagram as well, because that's where I put out the call for you to recommend all of these amazing businesses to me. And I'm gonna end this with a final thank you to Skillshare, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!